when ready?
It's ready.
Hi friends, today we're gonna open this mystery present.
Ooh, mystery present.
Let's open it right now.
What do you have there, Trey?
My Zarinator plushie. It's here, and we don't need scissors.
Okay then.
He's so excited. He doesn't need a scissor. Alexi.
He's so silly.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Hold up. Let me see.
Zarinator.
So what is this Zarinator? I don't know them. You need to tell me what it's all about.
So they're from Fly Pie, and they're in makeshift. They already sold out, so you're not buy them anymore. And they're custom.
Custom. Actually, we ordered like 2 months ago, and then it was canceled. And then all of a sudden, Amazon gets a lot of this, and we able to order 2 of this because he's been waiting for this one for very, very long time. Yay! Okay, what else you can say about the Zarinator?
This is very detailed. I don't know how we're supposed to. If we made this, how are we supposed to make this?
I have no idea. But do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. So what you gonna say? Thank you, Daddy.